My name is Sandra Ukoh. I'm the CEO of Deep Inside World, the founder of WIN, WIN, Women Youth Influence Network. I'm an author and a speaker. I'm going to be speaking about identity today and how it leads to wrong belief and how you can overcome it. What is your identity? You must know who you are first before people's perception of you. However, what really matters is what God says you are and what you think about yourself. This has nothing to do with your family lineage, neither your status, your degree, your promotion, position, career, or profession. If you know your identity, you won't need to struggle or be anxious for anything. Please understand with me, you're a brand and a unique one and a powerful one for that matter. Your brand makes you unique and makes you stand out among your peers. This is what makes you peculiar, that peculiar thing that makes you you. Quite a number of people are lost and hiding under different covers of many things. Many people have what is called identity crisis. And this is a period of uncertainty and confusion. This is when the sense of identity of a person becomes insecure, typically due to a change in the expected aims or role in the society. Friends, it's time for us and it's time for the world to see the amazing brand that God has made you to be. You are not your circumstances. Neither are you your challenges you face. You are a person of destiny, born for purpose. You carry the life of God inside of you. You are in this world but a citizen of heaven. When you focus on God, you discover your identity. You know yourself. And a lot of times when we have issues with identity, it leads to wrong belief. And if you want to talk, what is wrong belief? Wrong belief in itself is misbelief, delusion, error, fallacy, illusion, misconception, falsehood, belief, misapprehension, mistake, misinterpretation, misconception, misjudge. This could also be likened as mistakes. It is completely normal to question who you are, especially when we change throughout our lives. However, when it begins to affect your daily thinking or function, you may have what is called crisis of identity. That was a particular time, I think, a story that was said by Ukoh. He said there was a calf that was captured and grew among sheep. And each time they went to the river to drink water, they sighted a lion on the other side. The sheep, including the lion sheep, would take to their heels, to run for safety. And one particular day, the lion sheep discovered its identity through its reflection on the water. He saw that he didn't look like the sheep, but like the lion, and they had been running away from the lion. Then the next time the lion appeared again, the other sheep ran away. He escaped to join his family. And that's to tell you, he discovered his true identity. And this is what I was talking about, wrong beliefs. If you're honest with yourself, you feel very insecure when you have wrong beliefs. And this is because those who hide best often feel it most. But our insecurity is just an invitation from God to escape the danger of false belief about who we are, but finding the true peace in who He is to us by receiving a new identity from Him. In Jesus Christ, you do not lose your identity, but you become who you are in Him. And the self-esteem movement, as we all know, really started during when Adam and Eve ate the fruit in the Eden. Prior to that time, self-esteem was not an issue. This is because Adam and Eve were not lost there, so they had no need to find themselves. They had an healthy self-esteem because they knew God and they revered Him above all things, even included themselves. But by eating the fruit from the tree of knowledge of good and evil, self-esteem became rooted in pride, and this became self-seeking. It became infectious, and it became selfish. It was a selfish ambition. Thus, changing from God-glorifying, complementary pursuit into that of a self-glorifying, competitive pursuit, which is an healthy pursuit. An healthy self-esteem does not come from prominence, but rather it comes from being who you are designed to be. You are designed to be a part of a group, and in that group, you can make a difference. You can get more of this nuggets in my book titled, Can I Need to Know What You Are?